Hey guys, here I am today showing you a video of a truck that just got really badly smashed. Okay, so we're going to the first part right here. Okay. So look at the hood. You got the whole hood smashed, okay? Smashed straight in. Alright, so here you go, and you got all the brand new stuff that he ordered. He's gonna have to take it back, order a new one. Okay, so alright. And then when the person crashed, they hit their head and then their nose. And this is how it locked up. These are the tools to get the stuff off. I'm showing you next. Okay, so here we are. Here's the stuff that's still good that we're gonna bend back and we're gonna put it back together. Okay. Now here's a bumper. It's pretty smashed. Okay, so that's good. But then me and my mom were at her friend's house, and this is her car. We didn't wreck it at all. This car's mine. We had a couple fender benders a few times in it, but we're getting those damages repaired. Okay. So here now I'm going to show you the small, teeny tiny fender benders. Okay, this is when I was riding my bike, and then my mama and then some lady parked behind my mom, and my mama didn't see the car, and she backed up and smashed their car. Their car had more damage than our car. Our car was fine, but their car was not okay. So after you just got fixed, it just got destroyed. So bye.